Hey everyone, this is Athav JV Mathur back with another video of how to create your SparkAR filter in less than 5 minutes. Yes, we are going to edit a template in this and simply publishing it on SparkAR community. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I have already discussed that how to download your SparkAR software in your system. So by simply clicking here on download now, you can do it so. Okay. So I will be providing this link in the description, so no need to worry about that. We are simply heading to our Spark AR studio and you can see there are many templates and we are selecting this background one. Okay, you can see this replace me file by clicking right on your mouse and this replace button. You can select any of the image you want, and I have downloaded this on from unsplash.com. So you can select any of your favorite image. It is not a compulsion to use this image, it's obvious. And how to publish, yes, that's it, that's all, the filter. And how to publish this on community, by clicking here publish, by clicking on this publish button, some this kind of pop-up will appear, and click on upload. It will automatically upload and it will be redirecting to our browser. So you can see the SparkAR hub is opened, and give this effect a unique name. Background, let's say. You can give your name too. Okay, so you can select the specific platforms only, and make sure I'm going to have this one on Instagram only. Okay, and let's select 5 categories: world AR, selfies, and it's optional. You can give your effect any keywords, and you can see this button is not enabled now. I have to save this once and it will reload. Yes, you can see this button is enabled now, and by clicking on this send, it will be going to send a notification on my mobile phone. You can simply click this link to use your filter once, and you have to make a demo video to upload here. Okay, so let's go to record our demo video. So as of now, I have recorded a demo video for my filter and I am going to upload it here, and it will automatically load. And also use your video thumbnail, and do not add any collaborators, it's not necessary here, and just wait for upload. So as of now, you can see the video is uploaded now, and just click on submit. It will upload the whole file. You can see that all the files have been uploaded now, and you have to just copy owner ID. And many of you are asking that what is the effect link. Effect link is this. How you can get it? You can just simply tap on these 3 dots and test on device, and this is the link of your effect link. And what is your effect ID? This one. Or simply I can say this number is your effect ID. You can submit this in that form also. Okay, so your effect is in review now, and it will automatically uploaded when the review period is over. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you found it useful, please share it with others too. So keep practicing and never stop building. Thank you.